Students, today we will start chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. First of all, we know what is the equation. Linear equation in one variable, this is the chapter name. So first of all, we read about the equation, what is the equation. Then the definition is that a statement of equality which contains an unknown quantity is called equation. Now you will see the example. 2x plus 3 equals to 5, 5y plus 4 equal to 9, z plus 5 equal to 9, x square plus 5 equal to 7, and x square, 3x square, x cube plus 3x square plus 5 equal to 7. These all are the equation. These all are the equation. Why? Because they have a variables x, y, z, whatever it is there given. So this is called equation because it is given the equality sign. Now what is the linear equation in one variable? Understood? Now we will just see about what is the linear equation in one variable. An equation which contains only one variable of degree 1. It means to say that the variables, whatever it is x, y, z, their powers is 1. Now you will see here x plus 5 equal to 7, 2y plus 7 equal to 9, z plus 5 equal to 11. Here you will see all the variables, either it is x, y or z, they having the power of 1. So it is the linear equation in one variables. Understood? Now an equation consists 3 terms, that is the left side, an equal sign and a right side. X plus 5 is called left side of the equation, 7 is called the right side, and this is the one equations equal sign. 3 terms it is containing, left side, right side and equal sign. Now how we solve the equation? First of all, we know what is the solution or the root of an equation. What does it means? Now a number which satisfies the equation is called the solution of the equation. For example, the solution of equation x plus 5 equal to 7 is 2. Why? Because when we put the variables value 2, it satisfied the equation. So 2 is the solution of the equation. Now how we will solve the equation? There are two methods. First method is transposition method and second method is equality method. First it is transposition method and second it is equality method. How we can solve the equation? How we can solve an equation? See, the same number we can add, subtract the same number, can be added, subtracted, multiplied or divide in the same number can be added, subtracted, multiplied or divide to both sides of the equation. Now we take an example. How we solve the equation? Let us see one example. Suppose it is given x plus 7 equal to 5. Suppose it is given x plus 7 equal to 5. Now, how we can solve? We just subtract 7 on both sides. We find the result. That means x equal to minus 2. This is the solution of the equation. Take another example. Suppose x minus 5 equal to 4. X minus 5 equal to 4. X plus. Now here you will see in the right side it is minus 5. So we add the reverse number, that is plus x minus 5 plus 5, and the right side also we will add 5. So it becomes x equal to 4 plus 5, that means 9. So solution of the equation is 9. Understood? Take out the another example. 3x equal to 21. Here you will see 3 is multiplied in x, so here we will divide by 3. On both sides we get the result, x equal to 7. Understood? Now the another example, it is, suppose it is given x minus 9 equal to 36. Then here we will multiply by 9 to find the result. That means x equal to 324. Got the answer? So this time we find the solution of the equation by equals number, adding, subtracting, multiplied or divide. This is the first method to solve the equation. Understood? Now you have to take another example to solving the equation. I just give you some question to solve it. So the first example, it is there. You will see in the examples how we will add, subtract, multiply, divide. Or add, subtract, multiply or divide. That is the method to solve the equation by equality methods. Now you can solve the questions, this question by these methods. Here you will see this is for you to work it. X plus 9 equal to 15. 3x plus 5 equal to 14. Third, 2x plus 7 equal to 9. Fourth, 5x plus 3 equal to 13. Try these questions. Try these questions to solve by this method. Okay, you will find the answers. How we will find it by these methods.